Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adobe Creative Cloud assets using version storage detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your device. Sign in to your Adobe account if prompted. Navigate to the Cloud Documents section in the app. Identify the assets you wish to backup, including projects and assets. For each asset, right-click to reveal the Options menu. Select Download or Save as to obtain the local copy of the asset. Choose a preferred destination on your local storage to save these files. Ensure that the file names remain clear and organized for easy identification. Next, open your version storage solution, such as a local server or cloud storage platform. Create a new folder specifically for your Adobe Creative Cloud backups. Label this folder with the date and a brief description for reference. Move the downloaded assets from your local storage into the newly created folder. If using version storage, ensure that the version tracking features are enabled. This will allow you to maintain a history of changes made to your files. Periodically repeat this backup process to keep your assets updated. Confirm that the backup files are accessible and intact in the storage solution. Check the version history to ensure previous versions are being tracked correctly. Establish a routine for regular backups to ensure data security. Consider using automation tools if available, to simplify future backups. Review your backup strategy periodically to adjust for any new projects or assets. Make sure to test restoring files from your backup to ensure everything works correctly. Stay informed about any updates or improvements in Adobe Creative Cloud and your storage solution. This will help you efficiently manage your assets moving forward. By following these steps, you can ensure the security and accessibility of your Adobe Creative Cloud assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.